Okay, these problems here, they're going to ask you to find either just one. Yeah, I think they're just asking you to find one of the trig ratios, right? We've been here, and I've been asking you to find all three, even though the worksheet just asked you to find one. I mean, we can find all three, but the only difference now with this assignment is, with this part of the assignment down here, they drew the picture, the triangle's there, and you can see the sides. Okay, here the only difference is they're giving you this problem like in a Word. They're giving you these same type of problems in a Word problem format. So all we got to do is just draw it out. That's it. We just got to read it and draw it out. So let's see what they want to do here with this. Look at this. In each triangle, a triangle that has these three letters, A, B, C, excuse me, you have a triangle that's ABC, but it's a right. See, C is a right angle. So remember, this only works for right triangles. So make sure you draw a triangle that has a 90-degree angle. That's a right triangle. And which is C? C is the right angle. This is a right triangle. You can draw it any way. You can draw it facing that way. You can draw it facing this way, whatever. So I'm just draw it like this, okay? And then the other two have to be what? A and B. It doesn't matter where you put A and B, as long as this one's correct. So I'll put it right here, A and B. There's my triangle ABC, where C is the right angle. And now, if you remember, the corners here are the capital letters, A, B, C, and these small letters, see, because now they're giving you these lowercase small letters. You have to know where they go. So if this is A, the side opposite is little a. If this is B, the side opposite is B. And if this is C, well, you have to know that the sides are the lowercase. When the corners are the uppercase, this is how you know which one's the correct lowercase A, B, and C. So they're telling you that C is 10, which is this one. C is 10. They're giving me this side 10, and they're giving you A is what? A is 6. All right, so it's going to be similar like before. Here I have a triangle that has two given sides. You're going to need to find the third. And the good thing is, this is the same way you're going to label the Pythagorean theorem, right? We have to find the missing side. To find the missing side, we got to use this. I'm glad they're using ABC, right? A squared for the Pythagorean theorem. Oh, good. It follows along. This is it. This is the C side. This is A and B. Perfect. Perfect. So that's going to be what? 6. A is 6, right? 6 squared plus, I don't know the B, so I'll leave it. B squared equals, C is 10 squared. Yeah? And then that's going to be what? 36 plus B squared equals 100. 10 times 10 is not 20, it's 100. And then we get to solve for B squared, this positive 36. You subtract 36, you subtract 36 from both sides. So that's whatever 100 take away 36 is. So B squared is 64. And you take the square root of both sides. We get B is equal to 8. There it is. That's the number I need. I needed to find this value for B. So now let's go back over here. Let's go back to my triangle. Again, we were given that A is 6, so this side's 6. We know that this side's 10, and I just found out that this side is what? 8. There it is. I got all three sides. But now, and actually I'm going to have to probably do this on a separate piece of paper. I don't want it to put it here. It's going to be too busy. Well, I will. Now we got to label this not ABC, but with the opposite and the adjacent and with the hypotenuse. So let me erase the A's, the B's, and the C's. Now I gotta label it the other way with the opposite, the adjacent, and the hypotenuse, right? For the Sohcahtoa business. So which one's a hypotenuse? This one's a H. Oh, it says find cosine of A. Okay, so see cosine of A, make sure you put your little angle measure. So I know A is the reference angle that they're talking about. I know this for sure is a hypotenuse. So if the angle, they're asking for cosine of A, that's how you know which one it is. Okay, that's how I know. So that means this one's going to be the opposite side, and this one will be the adjacent side. All right. And I can find all of them, but they're just asking you for cosine. If they're just asking you for cosine, that would be what? If they're only asking you for cosine of A, well, for cosine, which is it? Soka or toa? It's ka, right? It's that. Remember the Sohcahtoa? You got so, you got ka, and you got toa. I mean, that's why it's better to just learn all three and know all three. Which one are you going to use for cosine? Well, it starts with a C. It has to be this one, ka. So that means cosine of A is equal to what? A over H. So you're going to just give me this one. They're just going to ask you for this one for cosine, right? They're only asking for cosine. So that would be A over H is what? A is... I'm sorry, A is this one. 8 over 10. So you got cosine of A is equal to 8 over 10. But look, you can reduce that. So that's going to give you what? Cosine of A is equal to? Divide by 2, divide 4 over 5. All right, there it is. That's the answer. All right, I'll do another one right now. All right, I think that'll be it.